In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and enable location on Google Chrome. Whether you want quick local results or prefer to keep your location private, I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn location access on or off and how to control it for individual websites. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. In the top right corner of the browser, tap the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. If your menu looks a little different, that's okay. The option is typically near the bottom. In Settings, scroll until you see Site Settings and tap it. This is the hub for permissions like camera, notifications, and for today, location. Go ahead and select Location. Here you'll find the main control for location access. To enable location, turn the location toggle on or choose the option that says Sites can ask for your location. With this enabled, websites can request your location when needed, and you'll see a prompt to allow or block. You stay in control and can decide case by case. This is especially helpful for things like local search results, maps and navigation, rideshare pickups, food delivery, or showing nearby stores and weather. When a site is using your location, you may also see a small location icon near the address bar as a reminder. To disable location, turn the toggle off or select Don't allow sites to see your location. With this setting, Chrome won't share your location with any site, and those permission prompts will stop appearing. Keep in mind, some site features may be limited without location, but most services still work if you manually enter a city, zip code, or address. Disabling this here applies across Chrome, and you can always come back to re-enable it later. From this same location screen, you can fine-tune permissions for specific websites. You'll see lists of sites that are allowed or blocked. Tap any site you want to change, then switch it to Allow, Block, or reset it so Chrome asks again next time. This is useful when you trust a few sites with your location, but want it off for everyone else. When you're done, simply close Settings. There's no Save button. Your changes are applied automatically. If your Chrome version looks slightly different, the wording may vary, but the path stays the same. Settings, Site Settings, then Location. That's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable location in Chrome and manage it per site quickly and